What's up guys, right here. This is a little different tutorial than you're used to seeing, because a lot of you guys wanted to see or learn how to use Blender. So this is gonna be like Blender basics. To get Blender, you can just go to blender.org, or I'll just leave the link inside of not the Discord, the description. And then what you want to do is you can either go here, or you can just click that blue download button, and then you just download it. And then for me, it's gonna download. You can save file, blah blah blah, and install. And then once you gotta run it up, or run it up, there's a little screen that pops up, right? You can just click off around it, and then it disappears. So you can set your selection, it'll say if you want to select an object with right click, which is what I do, you can do that. If you want to set as left click, then you can do that as well, and it'll give you that option. How do you move your keyboard, how do you move your camera inside of Blender is use shift, and then it's that squiggly line next to 1, so you have to use shift and that squiggly line next to 1 at the top left of your keyboard, and you should be able to move around and everything with WASD in your mouse. So these are your tools, your object mode. So first, Blender has different modes, right? Object mode is the thing you're gonna be working in the most. We also have wireframe, which is you can see all the vertices and stuff. We have rendered, which is what it looks like when you're rendering your objects and stuff like that. And we have material preview. So let's say I had a material on it and it was red, then we'll be able to see it, but you can't see your colors in solid mode, if that makes sense. These tools, this is a selection tool. You can box select. If you left click and hold on it, you can select the box, right? So that you can just select objects like that. You can hold on to it, circle, and the circle just selects anything it hovers over. And if you hold it again, lasso, you can just draw what you want to select and stuff like that. To select a object without your mouse, click A to select all objects in the workspace place, and double tap A to unselect everything. So A, double tap, A, double tap. This tool is the move tool. It should be, from studio. Move it up and down, left and right, back and forth. Rotation tool, you should be used to using this. The resize tool, resize it. And transform is just all tools combined. So you got the rotation, got this resize, movement, all of it. Annotate and stuff, I won't worry about these two unless you're gonna be doing some animation, drawing and stuff like that. Hotkeys for resizing an object is S. And you click S, you can resize on all scales or sides. If you click Z, you only scale up and down. If you click X, you scale on the X axis, and Y, you scale on the Y axis. And you right click, so say I resized it but I don't want it. If you right click, it resets it. So resize, right click. You can resize it and Control Z just goes back, it's an undo. Rotation is the same thing, but you use R instead of S, and you can rotate it along the X axis or the Z axis, the X and the Y axis. right click to unselect that. You can go into object mode, not object mode, edit mode. Like there's different modes on this side. You're gonna start out in the object mode, but edit mode is like how you edit like all vertices and stuff like that. There's a few extra like tools down here. So extrude region, you can like extrude. Let's say I wanted to extrude this top half, I can just do that. Or you can, what you can do is, at these three, these are different views, right? So the dot means vertices, the line means edges, and the flat means faces. So you can select the whole group of that. If you select a face or like a vertex or a line or anything, or edge and anything, if you click E and hold Control, right? Well, E you can extrude, right? If you hold Control while you're extruding, you can like make it like smooth and like even. So E, you can do all types of sort of stuff like that. Let's do it like that. No, we just got that. And let's do this. So yeah, got that. I can teach you guys about like the different tools and stuff like later on, but like this is pretty much all you need to know. If you want to delete an object, just select it, click X and delete. You can undo it, blah blah blah. If you want to delete like a vertex, like make sure you select like the vertex select and click X and it deletes the vertex, and since that vertex like control like this entire area like that, then all of those faces disappear. You can do the same for edges, and only those two because it doesn't control like the corner. And the face, you can just delete a face, you know, it still has all four sides. This is it for the Blender basics, just to, like get you around and stuff. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you want to see more of, like Blender stuff, like maybe like how to model something or just like workflow, whatever like that works for you. And hope this video was helpful. If you like it, hit that like, sub, share, yeah, I already said comment. I don't even think, did I already say that stuff? Probably, I don't know. But thanks for watching.